Showdown is clearly on the cards as the monsoon session is all set to convene. But we have a scoop on the India bloc's strategy. The opposition parties are insisting that Prime Minister Modi should respond on Operation Sindoor. He should give a statement in the House. In fact, the opposition is also saying that the Prime Minister should speak up on the US President Donald Trump's recent claim that he brokered peace between India and Pakistan. The opposition is also demanding a discussion on the ongoing special intensive revision of the electoral rolls in Bihar. So this is going to be the opposition's agenda. The opposition has made it clear that there are a few issues on which they want the government's answer. They have said that they want the Prime Minister to speak up on Operation Sindoor, as well as respond to what President Trump has said. Remember, yesterday the government had also convened an all-party meeting reaching out to the opposition leaders to say that we are ready to discuss any issues that the opposition brings up, but it should be done with decorum within the rules of the parliament. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, this is going to be the first session after Operation Sindoor, ahead of the Bihar polls as well. So a lot is expected in the parliament session. Take us through what the opposition's demands are.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, it's going to be one fiery of a monsoon session because as far as the opposition is concerned, the India bloc is concerned, they have come together as far as the agenda is concerned. Now, the number one on the agenda is Operation Sindoor. Now, the opposition demands that there should be a discussion on the floor of the House as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned, and also on the foreign policy and what Donald Trump has been claiming, and regarding his latest statement that their 5 jets were down during Operation Sindoor, and regarding that also the opposition wants explanation from the central government. Now the opposition also questions that time and again, multiple of times, there has been foreign narratives which is going on, but why isn't a response coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi or from the Indian government for that matter? Why is the government silent? And that is a very fact which the opposition will be raising in the floor of the House today. And as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned and Pahalgam terror attack is concerned, the opposition stands united, the India bloc stands united on this particular agenda, and also on the special intensive revision of voter list, which is currently going in on Bihar. Now, several of the political parties have also raised this concern. Now, in total, they have raised around 8 agendas which they want that there should be discussion in the floor of the House, because the opposition believe that it is very much important that the people of the country and the opposition must be taken into confidence, and there should be transparency from the central government time. And in fact, the opposition pointed out to maintain the democracy in the country, it is very much important that there should be transparency. Now, these 8 agendas that were decided in the India bloc meetings, these 8 agendas will be raised by the opposition parties throughout the monsoon session. Now, on one hand,
the opposition leaders held a virtual meeting. This was ahead of the all-party meeting that was convened by the government as well. The opposition is very clear that it wants answers from the government on a few issues. Listen into what the opposition leaders have said on the issues that they are all set to raise in the parliament.
सदन के द्वारा देश को संबोधित करने का अवसर हमें मिलेगा और सरकार से अहम सवालों का जवाब सुनने को मिलेगा, और इसीलिए हमारी ये मांग है कि ऐसे कुछ विशेष विषय इस सदन में, इस सत्र में उठाए जाएंगे जिसके कारण इस बार हमारी पहले से ज्यादा उम्मीद है कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी सदन के अंदर, सदन के द्वारा देश को संबोधित करेंगे.
If there is a consensus, we would certainly like to